Now that you've completed another section, you'll be taken back to your job listing task list to complete another section. Select one of the relevant links to get started. On the Do you want to add any pre-application questions page, read the information carefully before selecting any questions, as an applicant must answer yes to any questions included to allow them to progress with their application. Select an option, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. If you selected to add pre-application questions, you'll be taken to the Select the Pre-application Questions page. The questions you select need to be appropriate to the job criteria and person specification, as these will stop anyone from applying who doesn't match your essential criteria. If you need further help, you can select the How to Use Pre-application Questions link. You can select more than one question to use using the tick boxes provided, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Check and Save the Pre-application Questions page, you can review your answers and make any changes by selecting the change links provided. If you're happy with this section and would like to continue to your task list to complete another section, select the Save and Continue button. Now that you've completed another section, you'll be taken back to your job listing task list to complete another section. Select one of the relevant links to get started. On the Does the job require applicants to be checked for any previous criminal convictions page, select the Help with Previous Criminal Convictions link to help you choose your answer. Once you've done this, select an option, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Is the job open to applicants outside the EU and EEA page, select the Help with Applicants Outside the EU EEA link to help you choose your answer. Once you've done this, select an option, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Does the job require UK professional registration page, select the Help with Professional Registration link to help you choose your answer. Once you've done this, select an option, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Do you want to add any additional questions for specific job roles page, you can add additional questions for medical, dental, nursing and driving. Select an answer, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. If you selected to add additional questions, you'll be taken to the What type of additional questions do you want to add page. You can select more than one question to use using the tick boxes provided. Once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. In this example, additional driving questions have been selected. You can select more than one question to use using the tick boxes provided. Once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Do you need to add fitness to practice questions page, select an option, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Check and Save the Additional Application Questions page, you can review your answers and make any changes by selecting the change links provided. If you're happy with this section and would like to continue to your task list to complete another section, select the Save and Continue button.